Hey guys, my name is Tzachi Kraus and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you the simplest and quickest way to connect your PlayStation 5 controller to your iPhone, iPad or your Apple TV. And now, let's start the process. The first thing you need to do is to check that your appliance which you want to connect to the PlayStation controller is updated to at least iOS 14.5. Without it, the connection will fail. For those who don't know how to check which version they have, let me show you how to check. Enter Settings, and then General, and lastly About. If your version is less than 14.5, go back one stage to Software Update and update your device. And now the second stage. I'm showing you this process on my iPad, but no, this process is the same for your iPhone or your Apple TV. Enter Settings, then Bluetooth. Take the PlayStation controller and press on both PlayStation icon and the share button until a blue flickering light appears on the controller. As you can see, under other devices appears the name of your controller. Press it and the blue flickering light on your controller will turn to orange. And now your iPad will show that the controller is connected and you are ready to go. Please note, there is an additional feature which you should know about it, but it only shows after the controller is connected to one of your devices. You can change its settings that it will fit to your needs. Enter Settings, then press the General button, and then enter Game Controller. Here you will find the option to change the controller settings. Let me know in the comments below which games you are planning to play. Guys, if this video helped you, I would really appreciate it if you could press on the subscribe button now. It helps me to grow on YouTube. This way you will receive all my future video updates. If you have any questions regarding this video, you are welcome to ask. Thanks for watching and looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Have a great day.